Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to customer satisfaction. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.